Why aren't more people talking about these products? Because they're actually incredible. This is the Cheekbone Beauty Unify Multi Pencil Sticks. They come in so many shades. I have a couple right here. I've been using these two for contour and bronzer. I actually used it today. Look at how beautiful it looks, and these blend out like butter. And I've been using the ones closer to my skin tone to highlight my brow bone, to clean up my eyeliner, to clean up my lips. They're so good. Let me put them in action and just show you guys. Just created a really quick wing liner, and just to clean it up, I'm gonna take this and line it on the side. And then I like to take a powder puff and just blend this out. Literally look at the difference between this eye and this eye. Mind you, this is beautiful, but this eye just looks a lot more lifted and snatched and clean. Plus these products on top of powder still work beautifully. Also really like this to clean up my lip liner area, especially on these outer edges. They just make it look so much more cleaner. And I also like this on my Cupid's bow. This is also beautiful underneath the brow bone. You guys know how much I love a brow bone highlight. I literally do not leave my house without one. And this one underneath the brow is actually stunning. Like, look at the blend on this. Are you kidding me? Look at how lifted this eye looks in comparison. Final place I really like to use this is right in the inner corner. I just want that really classic full glam but matte look, especially if you're doing something every day and you don't want a lot of shimmer, or you're oily like myself and you don't want too much because you're gonna get oily throughout the day anyways. This is the best of both worlds. You get that brightening effect that you can clearly see, but it's super subtle and it's super natural. I just went ahead and applied some mascara, and this is the final look. I think it looks incredible. I actually haven't done any matte highlighting since high school because that's when it was the trend, and I am living for it. I can't believe I actually stopped doing this. I truly love these. They're so incredible. They're buttery. The fact that I can also apply it on top of powder with no problems blows my mind, and they're so travel friendly. Are you kidding me? I'm traveling in 2 days. Guess what? These bad boys are definitely coming with me.